In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get OpticsPlanet promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search up OpticsPlanet promo code. And once you have done that, you can click on the first website, see, and then coupons. So once the website is loaded, then you're gonna see many codes. So for example, the first one is use this OpticsPlanet 20% off coupon code to save. So this code is gonna give you 20% off, and as you can see, it's verified as valid. So this is the code save 20. So all you have to do is click copy the code, which is gonna copy it. Then you can click go to the store, which will take you to their website. There you can choose your products and use this code at checkout while you're making the payment. You can also go ahead and see many other. For example, this is going to give you a 10% off. So take 10 is the code for 10% off. There's also another 15% off. So this code is a 15% off. So as you can see, there are many you can explore. Now I'm going to head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, I'm going to head over to this website, Slick Deals. So once I'm here, there are many codes as well. So for example, get 15% off with the coupon code 15 off. So to get a 15% off, all you have to do is use this coupon code 15 off. I'm pretty sure we saw this on the other website as well, where you can go ahead and give this a try. So this is 60% off discount as well, and this is the code for that. So app SHH. So this is a code for 60% off. So yeah, so you can go ahead and give this a try as well. So as you can see, there are many other codes here, so you can go ahead and give them a try. So let's say you're looking for a get free 2-day shipping with this code. The code is 2-day air, so you can go ahead and give that a try as well. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.